We want to dedicate this song to our brothers and sisters in Tibet, East Turkestan, Inner Mongolia, and to our brothers and sisters in China, who are also suffering under this current regime of repression and corruption.
We all hope for a better future.
Red stars waving high on the mountains of my land. Hear my people cry, sadness in their mind. You feel like a god with a gun in your hand. Sorrow you have brought to my peaceful land. Brothers and sisters, stand up for your right. Justice will always guide us, never lose the light. Still we sing a song of love and peace. Hatred we don't long, no more silent tears. You may laugh at me and torture with devil's skin. Never will you see how you break my will. Brothers and